Welcome back to Grow with Anshuman. So today I wanted to share something that literally decide whether you're making big in your life or stay average forever. Have you ever wondered that what separate the top 1% from rest of us? It's not luck, it's not talent, it's not even intelligence. It's one simple habit, a habit of every successful person has mastered. Let's talk about the most important habit to be successful. If I had to name one big thing that changed everything, it's consistency. Does doing something small every single day, even when you feel doesn't feel to do it, that makes you ordinary people from achieving extraordinary result. A study from even Duke University found that around 45% of what we do daily is purely habit, not even conscious decision making. And here's another fact, most people give up on a new goal just within 7 days. That's why success does not come the most talented person, it comes to one who shows up every single day. Because consistency beats motivation every single day. So, see, let's say the motivation is like that energy drink, gives you a quick boost and fade away fast. Consistency is like water, it sustains you every day. According to research, the European Journal of Psychology, even it takes about 66 days to build a new habit. And if you just improve by 1% daily, you will be 37% better by end of a year. So think about it, just 10 minutes of reading daily means finishing 5 years a book. 20 minutes of workout daily meaning energy, focus and confidence, and 15 minutes of coding, learning or writing daily. That's how you quickly build a skill while others are waiting for just right time. So there is no right time, starting today is only way. So how do you actually stay consistent? This is a very common thing what we came across. We know the things, but how, what we should do in order to achieve that. So here the simple framework, the 3R rules: reminder, routine and reward. The first step is reminder. Set a small trigger, an alarm, and a sticky note or wallpaper on your phone. Something that reminds you that it's time to do work. Second is routine. Keep it short and realistic. Every 5 minutes a day is better than doing nothing. So your slow progress is better than no progress. Step 3 is reward. Celebrate it. Acknowledge that you showed up because showing up is 80% of the success. So you fall to level of your habit. So remember, you doesn't rise to level of your goal, you fall to level of your habit. If you still doubt the power of consistency, so just look at this script. Warren Buffett read 500 pages every single day. He says knowledge about compounds like interest. Virat Kohli consistent discipline turned into one of the fittest athlete in the world. And James Clear, the author of Atomic Habit, I hope everybody has read this book, built a multi-million-dollar empire by following tiny, consistent improvement. So these people did not rely on motivation; they relied on consistency because success is never random; it's repeated. So the truth is, success is not built overnight. It's just built every morning, every day, every single choice you make. So here is my challenge for you if you're watching the video till end. So pick one single habit today and do it every single day for next 30 days. Doesn't matter if it is reading, journaling, meditating or walking, or just be consistent. So comment below and tell me what is the one habit you're gonna do for next 30 days consistently. Let's keep each other accountable and grow together. So if you really like this video, so don't forget to hit subscribe and hit button, and I'm looking forward to see you in next video. Thank you for watching till very end. Bye bye.